Nasusunod, bigyan niyo ako subtitle, ha? Okay. What's your name?
Audrey.
Audrey. How about you, baby girl? What's your name? Laura. Okay. Audrey, Laura, and?
Olivia.
Olivia, and?
Aba.
Aba. Okay. How old are you na?
6.
6.
7.
7. Mayain. How old are you na?
5.
5. Ikaw?
4.
Oh, 4. What is your favorite color?
Favorite color is pink.
Wow, very good pink. How about you? What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue and?
Pastel pink.
Ano?
Pastel pink.
Pastel pink. Oh, hindi ko lang narinig yun, ha? Ikaw, baby girl, what's your favorite color?
Light purple.
Light purple. Ayos talaga mga bata ngayon, ha? What is your favorite food? Paboritong pagkain?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. How about you? What is your favorite food?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. What kind of sinigang? Vegetable, pork, fish, shrimp. What?
Shrimp.
Ah, sinigang na shrimp. Wow, I love it. Okay. Baby girl, what is your favorite food?
Raman lang like this.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Okay. Oh, how about you? What is your favorite food?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. Oh, here we go. Ready and down. Up. Up. Okay, I'm sorry, fish. Yan. Congratulations. Okay. Ready and shrimp versus spaghetti versus sinigang. Okay. Ready. Down. Up. Up. Down. Down. One more. Up. Up. Thank you so much. Oh, ito na talaga. Labanan na to. Okay. Shrimp versus sinigang. Galingan nyo. Ready.
Doon, si
Down.
tatay, ayun, oh.
Up. 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 Down. Up. How old are you na?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay. Nag-school na ikaw?
I'm kindergarten but I'm turning grade 1.
You're turning grade 1. Okay. What do you want to be?
I wanna be a doctor to help mom.
Wow! Really?
My mom's a nurse.
Oh, nurse. Very, very good naman ito mag-ano. English, ah. Ang hirap nito kausap, eh. Okay, buti na lang may baon ako kahit papano. Yes, yes, yes.
Mom works in the hospital, which is her work. But it's kinda far, so whenever she leaves me, I kinda get sad.
Oh, okay. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Di ba? And?
She also takes care of sick grandmas, but one died.
Oh my God! Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready na?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Down, up, 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 down, down. Wow! Okay, up, up. Everybody go up. Okay. Dahil birthday ngayon ni Margus. Okay. Sabi ni Margus, parehas daw kayo winner. Wow, palakpakan niya! But before that, say happy birthday to Margus. Go!
Happy birthday, Margot!
Congratulations, get your prize right there. Okay, ito naman.
Happy birthday, Margot!
Okay, thank you so much. Tiririt, tiririt, tiririt.